it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Records give me with another reaction. Yeah. Today we are with Atile. Yes, man. Atile with Can't Stop Me. Yes. Big up Hilltop Studio. Atile is the name of the artist. The one that half EP when just dropped a while ago. So the one I got link in the comment section. First, I got pinned in the comment sections. Go over there. Give him a follow to him. See JAMAICA'S game I send over there. You see me? So yeah, big up the production team. Hilltop Studio, big up yourself. Let's jump in on it and see what the G have to say. Let's go.
Mister, watch out. So many things them talk about me and still can't stop me.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Think Tough Camp production, big up yourself. Think Tough Camp production, big up. Yes, you have to give the production team them credit, cause yes, and them make it happen too.
Talk about me and still can't stop me. Watch out. Mister, can't stop me. No matter what them try, can't stop me. All the fight them and fight me, them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I.
All the money I can still see I Rastafari. Yeah. Yo, Gusta, boom. Press on your right foot. Press the right foot. Press the right foot. No break, no dead. No break. No break. You know why?
Mister, watch out.
You know why no break, no dead?
So many things them talk about me.
You can't stop me.
Can't stop me.
That's what I tell you. Ready?
Mister, can't stop me. No matter what them try.
Yeah.
Can't stop me. All the fight them and fight me.
Yeah.
Can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. Them can't stop me. No matter what them try. Can't stop me. All the fight them and fight me. Them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. Me upon them hot like fire. Step on the stage, me say hotter than can't tire.
Lord class. We are burn them hotter than fire. We are burn them hotter than fire. Lava. Splash. Burn them up.
Yeah, burn them hot like fire.
Yeah.
Step on the stage, me say hotter than can't tire. Them youth, you want see me retire. But me keep on blazing it higher. Me give thanks and praise to the Most High. And him guide me through the rough time.
Yeah, man. Always remember saying I never left out the Most High, no. Always remember saying, listen, man. Tough time don't last. Tough people do. So I'm going to tell us, say, yo, I'm going to give praise to the Almighty above because I am guiding through the tough time. Can't stop me. EP now out.
Thanks and praise to the Most High. And him guide me through the rough time. Bad mind, them no want see me shine. One thing me have to tell, dirty mind, them can't stop me.
Yeah, man, bad mind want me lock up in now. I'm me alone in the dark room like Shane. No, me on the pan that. Bad mind me outside. You can't stop me shine. Me now lock up myself in the dark room to please you, not nobody else. Yes, you can't tap me up. Yeah, I'm not going to bad word. Bang. Let's go.
Them no want see me shine. One thing me have to tell, dirty mind, them can't stop me. No matter where them try, can't stop
New
me.
York
All the
City.
fight them a fight me, them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. Them can't stop me. No matter where them try, can't stop me. All the fight them a fight me, them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. Me a take plane just like taxi. Some fool have to sit and watch me.
Yeah, man, Iron Bird, man. We airborne, we Iron Bird. So all the chat in the down, let's all chat within the frivolous conversation. Frivolous mean, what frivolous mean again? You know mean not no blood clot talk, cause on a frivolous. On a full, on can't stop me, dog. Me up here start take plane. What on the side though? The confidence, I just look.
Me a take plane just like taxi. Some fool have to sit and watch me.
Watch me.
Bad mind, dirty heart can't stop me. Rastafari, I kill them with style. Our style, the fans them rather. And that's why them prefer a Tyler. Me a spit them, me a hit them. Now stop, drop, boom, track, pan them.
Nah, stop drop boom track pan them. You know why? Because we the fans them want hear. The fans them love our music. Guess what? No profanity, no nudity. You see me? No drugs, no alcohol. Message. Message.
Style the fans them rather, and that's why them prefer a Tyler. Me a spit them, me a hit them. Now stop, drop boom track, pan them. Can't stop me, no matter where them try. Can't stop me, all the fight them a fight me. Them can't stop me, Rastafari. I him guide and protect I. Them can't stop me, no matter where them try. Can't stop me, all the fight them a fight me. Them can't stop me, Rastafari. I him guide and protect I. Oh no, bad mind out of me life.
Hold on, a three verse we get on this?
Guide and protect I.
Check verse.
Burn out bad mind out of me life.
Yeah.
Burn out grudgeful out of me life.
Hold on, man, burn the note. Burn the note. Moving up, burn the note. Yeah, burn the note out of my life. This right there. Burn out bad man out of my life. Right now, binds. Yes, burn them out, my G.
Burn out
Hostile.
bad mind out of me life.
Hostile.
Burn out grudgeful out of me life. Burn out envy out of me life. And them boy, they no want see me strive. Burn out bad mind out of me life.
Burn them out.
Grudgeful out of me life. And them boy, they no want see me strive. By the grace of Father, you know them can't stop me. No matter what them try.
Can't stop me.
Them a fighting, them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. Them can't stop me, no matter where them try.
I'm a vibe.
Can't stop me, all the fight, them a fighting. Them can't stop me. Rastafari, and him guide and protect I. At times, the unstoppable one.
Shit.
You see it.
Hostile.
Bad mind.
Never
anything
cool,
can
never
hold
curl
me
up.
down. You say, I go. Shake it.
Think tough camp, big up yourself. Hilltop Studio, big up yourself. Hostile, big up yourself, me G. Yes, them can't stop you, my fam. Can't stop you. Like me say, people, EP drop. So if you want some positive music, some fresh vibes in your ears, this is the one for you. I'm going to leave a link down in the comment section. Go over there and subscribe to your YouTube channel. I'll be watching to see how much I want to actually support me. So if you support me, you help me support Hostile. Hostile! Yes, and that's right there. Big up yourself, can't stop me. That's the one I name, can't stop me. You see me? So make sure you go over there, go check it out and see how JAMAICA'S game is sending you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one also. I like it. I actually fuck with it. So I'm gonna listen to it one more time, but I'm gonna end the reaction.
Yeah.
So I'll catch you guys
So
later on. Big up on yourself.
I
Big up yourself, man G. Yeah man, I listen to that one again, man. I like it.
Yeah. Can't stop me, no matter what them try. Can't stop me, all the fight them a fight.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip connect.